How to spend 14 days in Japan at Japan Travel Itinerary. Whether you're landing in Japan for the first time or returning for a deeper exploration, it can feel overwhelming. From Tokyo's neon bustle to Kyoto's serene temples and the peaceful onsen villages near Mt. Fuji, it's easy to get lost in the details. Over the next 14 days, we'll walk you through a ready-to-go, curated Japan itinerary, step by step. Expect private car transfers, local guides, hidden gems, and a well-paced itinerary. Join us and by the end, you'll know exactly how to spend 2 weeks in Japan like a pro. If you'd rather skip the planning and just go, UME Travel can transform the itinerary into your personalized journey. Day 1 arrival in Tokyo. Your driver will meet you at the airport and take you to your hotel, where one of UME's English-speaking guides will be on standby. Day 2 Tokyo highlights. Explore Shinjuku, Shibuya Crossing, Akihabara and the sleek Ginza shopping district, as well as Tokyo Tower. Day 3 Traditional and modern Tokyo. Visit Sensoji and Asakusa, sample some street food and take a cruise on the Sumida River. Then head to Odaiba, where you can enjoy the seaside views, ride the Yurikimome Transit and glimpse Tokyo's futuristic skyline. Day 4 From Tokyo to Mt. Fuji or Hakone. Travel towards the iconic mountains and stay in a Ryokan traditional inn. Soak in hot springs and experience the aura of the mountain region. Day 5 Hakone Exploration. Take a boat cruise on Lake Ishii, ride the cable car up to the Owakudani Volcanic Valley and enjoy panoramic views of Mount Fuji. Then visit the Hakone Open Air Museum to experience the blend of nature and art. Day 6 Arrive in Kyoto. Begin your temple circuit. Visit Fushimi Inari's Vermilion Torii, the bamboo forest of Hiroshima and the golden pavilion Kinkaku-ji. Days 7-8 Kyoto Nara. Walk through the historic Gion district. Attend a tea ceremony and visit Uji to experience the matcha culture. Then, cross into Nara to meet the roaming deer and explore the Todaiji Temple, which is the largest wooden building in Japan. Day 9 Travel to Hiroshima and Miyajima. Experience a change of pace and settings, moving from tranquil temples to the profound history of the floating Torii Gate on Miyajima Island. Day 10 Hiroshima Peace Park and Miyajima. Visit the Atomic Bomb Dome and explore the peace memorials. Day 11 Arrive in Osaka. Arrive in Japan's food and fun capital. Visit Osaka Castle, take a stroll along the Donbori River and enjoy the neon lights, and experience the playful ninja attractions. Day 12 Osaka and the surrounding areas. Dive deeper into Osaka's vibrant neighborhoods, ride the Donquijote Ferris wheel and sample okonomiyaki and takoyaki, all while soaking up the local atmosphere. Day 13 Free day or optional side trip. You can choose to explore Kobe, Himeji Castle, or another regional gem. This day is all about flexibility and tailoring your experience. Day 14 Departure from Japan. Enjoy your last Japanese breakfast, do some light souvenir shopping, and take a private transfer to the airport. Take a moment to reflect on the last 2 weeks, which immersed you in culture, cuisine, serenity, and urban energy. Balanced pace. Build in rest and travel days to prevent burnout. Iconic landmarks and offbeat experiences. See Tokyo's neon lights, Kyoto's temples, and Mount Fuji's natural beauty, and learn about Hiroshima's history. Private transfers and local guides are included, so you can skip the hassle and enjoy a deeper understanding. Fully customizable with UME Travel. You can change hotels, adjust the itinerary, and add side trips. With UME Travel, you don't just buy a tour, you build your journey. You get a private car, a local English-speaking guide, 24/7 support, and family-friendly hotels if you're traveling with kids. You also get access to hidden experiences that you won't find in standard group itineraries. It's 100% tailor-made to your budget, pace, and interests.